Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, I will be there to reply you. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this actually started a downtrend from here, but it started playing around there for a while, and of course, as you can see, each time it gets here, it tries to go back down, gets here, tries to go back down, gets there again, and right now it's going back down. And what it is actually trying to do is to see if it can break out below this support zone in order for us to sell more to achieve this level. Okay, but it has not been able to achieve that, so it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. Started an uptrend from here, got to this region, had a pullback and play around there for a while. And I told you if it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. And as you can see, it broke out above it and it bought more, and it's still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, that is when it will not buy again. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. It actually started an uptrend right from here. You can see we milked it together till it got to this region, and right from there it switched back into from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This had been on uptrend for a while, just the way we have seen it, and of course got to this resistance zone, and it's trying to go back on downtrend, even though it is finding it difficult to go fully because of this ranging area. Okay, but once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's still going to sell more, so we still expect this to sell more. Okay, so you should prepare for it and try to achieve that. Okay, to take advantage of that. Okay, now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and just the way we have seen this had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, tried to go back on downtrend, but it didn't go too far before pulling back, and of course it will be approaching the resistance zone again, so this is still buying at the moment. If it should break out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, we should take note of that. So this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to subscribe to this channel or perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos. Make sure you like the video and share it with friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel also. Okay, if you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section, and of course you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.